Rocket Lab has announced a rapid turnaround in its Electron launch schedule to accommodate the next mission for Hawkeye 360, a geospatial analytics company. The mission, titled Get the Hawk Outta Here, is scheduled to lift off on June 26, 2025, from Launch Complex 1 in New Zealand. This adjustment showcases Rocket Lab's ability to deliver peak operational efficiency and flexibility amid a demanding launch schedule. The mission will deploy 4 satellites for Hawkeye 360, including 3 microsats to collect and geolocate radio frequency signals worldwide, and Kestrel 0A, an experimental satellite designed to evaluate emerging capabilities and future technology enhancements. The satellites will operate in low Earth orbit, providing high-precision radio frequency mapping and analytics. These satellites include a trio of microsats called Cluster 12 to collect and geolocate radio frequency signals from around the world, and Kestrel 0A, an experimental satellite designed to evaluate emerging capabilities and future technology enhancements. The Get the Hawk Outta Here mission is the third of 4 launches scheduled to take place this month from Launch Complex 1, highlighting Rocket Lab's growing adaptability and commitment to satisfying the diverse needs of its small satellite customers. The company has demonstrated its responsiveness and ability to execute complex launch schedules, underscoring its position as a global leader in launch services and space systems. The global space launch services market is expected to witness a compound annual growth rate of 15.6% during the 2024 to 2030 time period, driven by rapid technological advancements, growing demand for satellite deployment, increasing commercial space activities, and rising investments in space infrastructure. Over in Europe, Rocket Lab has been selected to launch a dedicated Electron mission for the European Space Agency to deploy the first pair of satellites for a future navigation constellation for Europe, known as LEO-PNT. The mission will launch 2 Pathfinder A spacecraft, provided by European satellite prime contractors Thales Alenia Space and GMV, from Rocket Lab Launch Complex 1 in New Zealand, no earlier than December 2025. The spacecraft will be deployed to a 510-kilometer, 510-kilometer low Earth orbit as part of a mission to test a new approach of providing location, direction, and timing services from satellites in low orbit. The LEO-PNT demonstration mission will assess how a low Earth orbit fleet of satellites can work, in combination with the Galileo and EGNOS constellations in higher orbits that provide Europe's own global navigation system. According to Rocket Lab founder and CEO, Sir Peter Beck, launching a European mission on Electron that is integral to the future of Europe's satellite navigation system is both an honor and a testament to the company's industry-leading launch service. Electron's track record of precise orbital deployment makes it an ideal choice for this mission. This latest launch contract reinforces Rocket Lab's commitment to supporting the growing demand for space access by European constellation operators. The company has a strong track record of working with European satellite operators, having completed the deployment of an entire constellation of Internet of Things satellites for French satellite operator Kineis earlier this year, and launching a global wildfire detection mission for Germany-based customer Aurora Tech. The LEO-PNT mission is an important step in the development of Europe's satellite navigation system, and Rocket Lab's Electron rocket is well-suited to support this mission. With its proven track record of precise orbital deployment, Electron is an ideal choice for launching the first 2 satellites in the LEO-PNT constellation. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.